Is Apple the second most valuable company in the world? Well, the short answer is maybe. It really depends on what day you're asking and how you're measuring. But the longer, more interesting answer reveals a fascinating story about brand power, constant innovation, and the high-stakes battle at the very top of the tech world. Let's break it down. For years, Apple has been a king of the hill, sitting comfortably in the top tier of global companies by market capitalization. If you rewind to mid-2025, some data from companiesmarketcap.com showed Apple's market cap at around a cool $3 trillion. Other sources even pushed that number closer to $3.9 trillion by October of that year, which would put it at or very near the number 2 spot globally. But here's where it gets tricky. In mid-2024, it was reported that another tech giant, Nvidia, had actually surged past Apple to claim that second-place title. And depending on the day and the data you're looking at, you might see Microsoft or another company inching ahead. So, yes, there have definitely been moments where Apple was the second most valuable company. But this ranking isn't set in stone. It's incredibly dynamic, shifting with daily market performance, stock prices, and investor confidence. So, why does Apple consistently command such a massive valuation? It boils down to a few key strengths. First, there's its powerful brand and ecosystem. Your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and services like the App Store and Apple Music all work together seamlessly, locking you into their world. It's a genius strategy that creates incredible customer loyalty. Then there's the financial performance. Apple pulls in hundreds of billions of dollars in revenue and is famous for its profitability. This makes it a rock-solid cornerstone of the tech industry and a favorite for investors. Its global reach is another huge factor. Operating in nearly every major market gives Apple incredible scale, diversification, and a worldwide base of loyal users. And let's not forget innovation and profit margins. While some critics say Apple is falling behind in the AI race, its ability to sell products at high margins remains one of the best in the business. Despite all this, Apple's spot at number 2 isn't guaranteed. The rapid rise of competitors is a major reason. Nvidia's dominance in AI chips, for example, sent its market cap soaring past Apple's in 2024. The tech landscape is also evolving. Valuations are now heavily driven by AI cloud computing and services areas where Apple faces some seriously tough competition. And of course, there's market volatility. A single bad earnings report, a new government regulation, or a disruption in the supply chain can wipe hundreds of billions of dollars off a company's valuation in the blink of an eye. The ranking also changes depending on what metric you use. Are you looking at real-time market cap, yearly earnings, or free cash flow? Each one can tell a different story and reorder the list of top companies. So, what does this all mean for investors and tech enthusiasts? If Apple is number 2 today, it's a testament to its lasting dominance in consumer technology. If it isn't, that doesn't suddenly make Apple irrelevant. Its value and influence are still absolutely extraordinary. The key takeaway is to watch the shifts. Seeing a company like Nvidia leapfrog Apple signals a major change in the tech world, highlighting the growing importance of AI and semiconductors. Ultimately, a company's rank is just one metric. Future growth potential, the innovation pipeline, and the ability to adapt to new market threats are what will truly determine whether Apple can stay at the top for years to come. So, to answer our original question, is Apple the second most valuable company in the world? Possibly, yes, depending on the day. But more importantly, Apple remains firmly among the top 2 or 3 most valuable companies on the planet. The fact that its exact rank can fluctuate so much just shows how fast the tech world moves. In the end, Apple isn't just fighting for the number 2 spot, it's fighting for continued relevance, leadership, and longevity. And in the long run, that's what truly matters. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech and business. See you in the next one.